Hello guys, welcome to the video, and to you guys who are new, welcome to the hey, yung objective natin ngayon ay i-fix yung ano namin, punching bag. Bibili kami ng hook kasi connect namin dun sa pull-up bar namin. So pupunta kami sa hardware store ngayon, tapos bibili din kami ng ano, pupunta din ako sa sports shop. Bibili kami ng anong kailangan namin kasi nagla-lockdown dito eh. So we're trying to be productive while in a lockdown, you know, staying fit and physical. So I'm gonna show you around there as well, and well, later on we're gonna try to do everything and video and, you know, talk as well at the same time. So yeah, you're probably wondering why ano lumalabas pa kami kahit supposedly magla-lockdown na, pero people are still going out to buy their necessities, yung kailangan nila. Kami ano, okay na kami ngayon, may stock na kami sa bahay. Yung ano lang, pang patay sa boredom. As you can see in the road, there's still people going out, you know, just like normal times. But you know, the government has activated the lockdown for people to self-isolate inside, pero parang normal pa rin. Ewan ko nung nangyayari, complacent lang siguro yung mga tao o ano lang. Dumating na tayo. Ito yung ano, hardware store namin dito, right beside the BAE system, yung shipyard na pinakita ko noon sa ano, previous videos. Tapos yan yung ano, sport shop namin, may gym din yan. But I don't think the gym's open because it's also one of the establishments that was ordered to be closed. Oh yeah, for the front. Okay guys, sinabihan kami na keep social distancing daw, mga 1.5 meters or even 2 meters. So hook yung hinahanap namin ngayon dito. Palayo pa. Kung palayo ta, ang hirap. Kailangan conscious ka talaga sa distance nyo. Okay, may hook na kami nakita dito. Hindi namin alam kung pwede to, pero looks tough. Baka gagamit lang kami ng kadena siguro. Para ano, go around sa pull-up bar. Yung mga ano, ito yung hardware store namin dito sa UK guys. Kahit ano dyan, ano to, yan o, mga plugs na. Ito yung plug namin dito. Tatlo yung butas, hindi lang yung dalawa. Masa na eh, baka nag-ditson?
Pwede ba nag-ditson?
Oo nga. Saan eh? Kasing ka na eh. Anong pangalan? Sea Salt Wine. Yan, Sea Salt Wine. Oh, Bluetooth na camera oh. Security camera. Magkano kaya to? Hindi ko alam kung anong price nun. Mahal siguro. Pero maraming ganun sa Amazon. So, mas mura pa siguro. Pero hindi guaranteed yung ano, yung durability niya. Yung kusina, kitchen model. Maraming pasaway dito. Sabi 2 meters, tapos close proximity pa rin. Yan, hardware store doon. Tingnan namin yung gym kapag kung open ba or hindi. The door's open, so we'll just check. Hopefully it's open. Bibili ako ng skipping rope. Walang treadmill or yung cycling machine sa bahay namin, so just for cardio. Yan, bukas sila. Walang tao dito. Skipping rope. Okay guys, itong particular na sport shop na to, may gym to sa baba. Tapos may swimming pool din. So all in one. Tapos may cafe din dyan. Dyan, yung door na yan. So yeah, may gym na yung naka-register ako, ano yun, may swimming pool lang pero walang shop. Gym, swimming pool, yun lang. Pero ito, maraming features. Hindi pa ako nakatry. Deserted yung parking dito. Usually this time around maraming tao noon. Grabe talaga yung COVID-19. Okay, wait muna kami guys. We bought everything that we needed. So after this, we're just gonna sort out the punching bag and paint some of the dumbbells as well. Tada! Basta yan na. Punching bag. Diyan muna yan. Tapos na yung pag-disassemble sa equipment namin. All disassembled. Yan. Our plan now is to paint everything that we've done, including the weights. Henry's on it right now. Yan, basahin muna natin. Madali siyang anuhin, yung i-brush. I use a metal scourer and a steel brush. Wrong take. Ito, steel brush. Alright, paint time. Taking which brush? I'm gonna take the small one. Okay guys, it's all dry now. They're ready for use. Here as well. They're dry, ready for use. I just have to assemble them. Yan, finished product guys. Pinturahan na to. Ito yung ano dito, ilalagay dito. May isang lock pa ko sa loob ng bahay namin. Kulang sa pintura to. Hindi namin na paint kasi naubusan kami ng pintura. Pwede ito gamitin ano, pull up bar. Ito para sa dumbbell to. Okay, everything's set up now. So that means we could start working out. Mag-register ko sa gym in the wrong time. I didn't see this coming. Well, everyone didn't see this coming. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video there now. Please like and subscribe, and if you like the content, if you could share it, I would appreciate it. And stay safe there everyone.